Sup, you're stuck with me again, and I'm opening another box. Hi folks, welcome back to ECS Coffee. I am Jack, and today I am opening another box, as you just heard. Look, this is the DeLonghi La Specialista. Still don't know how to pronounce it, whether it's art or art or arty or arte or... It's A-R-T-E, however you pronounce that. I'm not gonna Google it, I'm a little bit too lazy. Anyways, here it is, still in the wrapping, that's how new it is. Like there's plastic on it. And I figured I'd leave that because I wanna use my knife. But first, a few things about the machine. This is the newest in the Specialista lineup. It is the smallest, I believe, footprint-wise. You know, the Maestro being the largest, having all the dials and stuff, and this one being the smallest. So it is a bit of a change for the Specialistas. This one doesn't have the tamping arm, which was honestly my favorite thing about the Specialistas. Just the fact that it was all self-contained and mess-free, and that I couldn't mess it up because I suck at making coffee. But, you know, this one is going a more traditional route. So it's a bit smaller, it's a bit more compact, it's got a different look to it, and it's a bit more manual. So it's got that same manual steam wand, which is present on all the other Specialistas until the original one, which is discontinued, which had a Panarello. So yeah, this one, it's got the all the manual stuff, and it comes with a barista kit, is what they say. So we'll see what's in that and what's inside the box. I just dropped the knife, but I didn't. I caught it. Boom. And now we're gonna use the knife and open this box. But first, before we open the box, we have to cut off the plastic. I figured that'd be kind of satisfying. I was right. It's probably not for you, but for me, this is very satisfying, just cutting all this plastic and ripping it off. Because I'm basically a child, and small little things like this give me pleasure, and I like cutting things. That sounds concerning, but trust me, it's not. All right, that's all the plastic. Let's get that off. Get the plastic. Get the plastics off. Look at this box. Nice box. Very nice box. Nice matte finish. Look, I'm doing an unboxing video. I gotta admire the box, okay? There's not much else for me to do. I'm not doing the review. This isn't unboxing. You get box compliments. They've done a good job with this box. Yo, it's a nice box. They got instructions and stuff on the back. Tell you what you can do on the side. Classic box things. Anyways, let's pop it open. So it uses these two tabs here. Right up here. Now, the thing with Specialistas is in the past, they have been a pain in the butt to get out of their boxes. The original Specialista, the first time I took it out of its box, I needed, I think, 3 people, and we ended up just cutting the box in half. They're a pain. So let's see what this one's like. I haven't unboxed a Specialista in a long time, and hopefully it'll be a bit nicer and less of an absolute pain. Okay, already more promising because you can see the machine when you open it up. So first thing we have on top, in fact, I'll angle it down so y'all can see. This is what we're working with, right? So we've got this box here on top. So I believe this is probably the barista kit. If it's not, then I'm gonna feel silly, but it looks like it probably is. Welcome to the world of coffee, it says. Thank you, Mr. DeLonghi. We're gonna put that aside and we'll open that a little bit later. And then we've got right here, this appears to be a drip tray of some sort. I think this is like an elevated drip tray, so you can like put this for smaller like espresso glasses, and it's just weird, it's small. So we'll figure out where that goes. And then we've got the milk pitcher right here. It seems like we have to sort of pull this whole top cardboard thing out to get that out. And then it opens up. It's one of those complicated boxes that if you ever need to repack it, it's gonna be a pain in the butt. So just play this video in reverse and you should be golden. Okay, so there we go. This just unrolls. And then boom, milk pitcher right here. We'll put that on top there. And then that's all that's in this little box thing. So we'll throw that over there. Okay, now we're on to the actual machine, it looks like. So we've got this cardboard packaging there. We're gonna stand it up because frankly, I don't think I'll be able to get it out sitting down like that. Yep, that's just a bit of packaging. Okay, this is kind of cool. Looks like the machine is wearing a bulletproof vest, like a plate carrier with cardboard. Okay, so Machine is packed in front end here, and there's a dial here, and then bean containers there. I don't know the best way to get this out. It might be on the ground. I might have to put this off the counter where you guys can't see it. Okay, here we go. Okay, so we're gonna grab it. Oh, jeez. Ow, my finger. Okay. Up and on. There we go. Okay. So yeah, it just sits in the bottom there. The box is still pretty beefy on the bottom. Like it's got a lot of padding of cardboard. Let's make sure there's nothing else in there. Ah, that's empty. Okay, so this is the machine. Here it is. It's backwards. Oh, and I put it on top of something. What did I put it on? It's power cable. We're good. It's only its power cable. Okay, so we've got this cardboard shielding here, which seems to be, you need to take the lid off of the bean container and it goes in between that. That's a little complicated. So yeah, this cardboard shielding goes right on top. We're gonna toss that away. And then we've got this very soft wrappage. Lovely wrappage. And boom, there it is. I almost don't want to touch it because it's so shiny, as DeLonghi's always are. Very, very shiny. And yeah, so this one actually, it's got some scuffs there, but I'm sure this has been like a demo machine or something. We got sent it a little bit early, so we'll ignore that. They also get tested in the factory, so totally explainable. And yeah, so this is the machine right here. So we've got the drip tray already on it. Looks like this secondary drip tray does go in here. So we'll take this out of its little bag. This is very shiny, very chromed out. Yeah, oh, as I said, yes, very shiny, nothing happened. And it looks like, yeah, it just sits right on there. Yeah, so that's that. It just sits right on there for when you put your portafilter in. We've got the milk pitcher here. Take this out of its baggage. Ooh, very shiny chrome milk pitcher. DeLonghi just loves chrome. We'll set that down right there. I'm gonna toss this power cable off the back. We've got the bean hopper here. Boom. We've got the cup warmer on top. I'm not sure if it's active or not. We'll have to check our full review on that, which is coming out shortly to find out. Water containers on the back. And then we've got, I'm like burping. I just ate a hamburger. Then we've got a DeLonghi, the barista kit. So let's open this up. Oh my. This box does feel very dense. It seems like it's very packed, and I am right, it's very packed. So first we've got a water tester, so you can see how hard your water is, and adjust it for that. Then we've got, looks like paperwork, warranty card, user manual, register your machine, etc., etc. Set that all there. We've got this top layer here. This has, oh, something I dropped. This has a, I think this is a cleaning brush. Is this a cleaning brush? It is. So this is a cleaning brush in a little plastic bag. And then it's got a basket here, which is a non-pressurized basket. So that's just sitting right there. We'll toss that down there. Then we've got the portafilter. Lovely. Lots of weight to this. Feels very sturdy, very fancy. Definitely a fancy portafilter. Nice chrome again. We'll set that down right there. We're going to take this cardboard section out next. Throw it down there. And then next to that we had this decalcifier for decalcification. Set that there. We've got this thing. Now, I don't actually know what this is called. I've seen photos of it in use. It is a bit of like a dosing and tamping guide. So you put this on your portafilter and you put your tamper in the middle and it guides it. So I think that sort of achieves the mess-free thing that the Specialistas had without having the internal tamping and dosing like they used to. So we'll set that there. Not used to, they still make the Prestigio and the Maestro, so like the other models. And then here we have the tamper. We'll set that down right there. And then it also comes with a tamping mat to do that on your counter. And then it comes with a little pin. I know what this is for. I'm totally blanking and forgetting. but it's a pin. It's for cleaning something. I'm blanking, but it's a cleaning tool. So we'll set that there. So yeah, this is the Specialista Arte. I am curious about this though, so I want to see. Now does this, it's got a lock and unlock like a camera lens. Does that lock in? No, okay, so the portafilter locks into this like a camera lens, if you ever use one of those. Basically just clicks and then twist and it's locked in. And then I assume you would dose into it, I don't know if you just, yeah, so you could dose into it like that. You can also probably do it without that. Yes, you can. So you can use both if you're learning or whatnot, or you want to be a bit cleaner. You can keep this on top and dose right into it. And then the tamper goes right into this. So you're able to sort of a bit, the sides come in, cave in a bit. So it guides you right into your perfect spot to tamp. And then you decide the pressure. It's not going to be internal in the machine. But yeah, so that's a neat little thing. I've never actually seen one of these before, but it's pretty cool. The basket in the filter, let's see what it is, in the portafilter, if I can get it out, is also a non-pressurized. So yeah, we've got two unpressurized baskets. And this one comes in the portafilter. All right, so it's a bit of a different look, but I do like it. It is different. There's no internal tamping anymore, which is a big change for the Specialista lineup, but it's a welcome one for folks who don't like it. Anyways, that's the unboxing. This is what comes in the box. Let me throw this box away. This is what comes in the box, all this stuff here. I didn't lay it out very nice, but you know, you get the gist of it. Yeah, thank you for watching. I've been Jack. I hope you appreciate the fact that I know how to open a box and that I did it without accidentally cutting myself with the knife. Stay tuned for a full comparison of this machine to other machines similar, such as the other Specialistas that we have right there, as well as a full review, which will be coming soon, now that it is out of the box and someone who knows more about it can stand here and tell you about how this machine works and show you how it works. Anyways, thank you for watching. Take care.